Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy stored in glucose molecules. Here's an overview of the science behind photosynthesis. Photosynthetic organisms. Photosynthesis primarily occurs in chloroplasts, organelles found in plant cells and some algae cells. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a pigment that absorbs light energy needed for photosynthesis.
Light absorption.
Chlorophyll and other pigments in chloroplasts absorb photons, particles of light, from sunlight. The absorbed light energy excites electrons within chlorophyll molecules, raising them to higher energy levels. Water splitting and oxygen release. During the light-dependent reactions, also known as the light reactions, water molecules are split into oxygen, protons, H+ ions, and electrons. This process, called photolysis, occurs in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. Oxygen is released as a byproduct into the atmosphere. ATP and NADPH production. The excited electrons from chlorophyll pass through a series of electron transport chains in the thylakoid membranes. This process generates adenosine triphosphate, ATP, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, NADPH, which are energy-rich molecules used in the subsequent steps of photosynthesis. Carbon fixation, Calvin cycle. The light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, occur in the stroma of chloroplasts. ATP and NADPH generated during the light reactions are used to convert carbon dioxide, CO2, into glucose and other organic molecules. This process is called carbon fixation.
Role of enzymes.
Enzymes, such as ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase, oxygenase, Rubisco, facilitate the incorporation of CO2 into organic compounds during the Calvin cycle. These enzymes catalyze chemical reactions that convert CO2 into carbohydrates, essential for plant growth and metabolism. Regulation and efficiency. Photosynthesis is regulated by environmental factors such as light intensity, temperature, water availability, and CO2 concentration. Plants have mechanisms to adjust their photosynthetic rates to optimize energy production and conserve resources.
Importance and impact.
Photosynthesis is crucial for life on Earth as it provides oxygen for respiration and food, glucose, for plant growth, which sustains ecosystems and supports the food chain. It also plays a significant role in the global carbon cycle by removing CO2 from the atmosphere. Future research and applications. Ongoing research in photosynthesis aims to understand its molecular mechanisms, improve crop yields through genetic engineering, develop biofuels from photosynthetic organisms, and explore artificial photosynthesis for sustainable energy production. Photosynthesis represents a remarkable biological process that harnesses solar energy to produce vital resources for living organisms, shaping Earth's ecosystems and influencing global climate dynamics.